Find the birds. Dropped a leg on him. Oh, he's gonna soar forever. Oh, he's gonna go down. Damn, he is right on the fucking river. Jesus, that's insane. Well, let's go find him. I guess we can hunt this while we're at it. Make sure I'm supposed to walk over there first. Sit. Oh yeah, we're good. There's a lot. I saw another rooster flop over or fly over the hill. Let's go see if we can. We're not even gonna be able to cross this. F. No. Get off the ice. Come here. I can't believe that thing went down. Well, I don't really know what the bank looks like over there, to be honest with you. Molly might be going for a swim. Oh, that's somebody's snare. That's fucked up. It's not tagged either. Molly. Oh, she's working something. I'm just worried. Oh, we're kicking up birds. I'm worried because that snare. I don't want my dog to get caught in a snare. Come here, Mo. Molly. Good girl. I know, you found him. Come here. Oh, that was cold and wet. Well, I'm hunting South Dakota, so if you're wondering where, or if I'm near you, this should tell you. That bird went down in here somewhere. So. Feel like oh, I see him. Yeah. Molly. Hey, dead bird. Dead bird, find it. Oh, we're swimming? Molly. Molly. Come here. Come. Come. Good. Heel. Drop. Soggy bottom boy. It's kind of wild. If you look at his feet, I've seen this like multiple times, especially while all I hunt is public. But their feet have BB holes in them, and they're still fine. He's got all sorts of problems going on here. I wouldn't be surprised when I clean this if it has gangrene. Oh, sketchy. You be careful, Molly girl. She says, I won't. I'm a crazy dog.